Welcome to our next section in careers in accounting. So far we talked about financial accounting, managerial accounting, and tax. Now we're in the group called other, and these are ones that didn't fit exactly into any of those three categories. The first thing I want to talk to you about is governmental accounting. So governmental accounting is very similar to financial accounting. You're going to have debits and credits and do financial statements. But it is a little different because most governments use something called fund accounting. And so you're doing accounting within each of the funds, and then you prepare, there's just different rules, basically. So it's similar to financial, except there's some slightly different rules. So it's its own specialty. So governmental accounting, you can get a job with the state, with the county, with the town. Any sort of government is going to have accountants. There's the federal accounting, the GAO, the General Accounting Office. And so there's a lot of jobs out there. The money-making potential is probably not as much as private industry, but you can definitely get yourself into the low six figures, maybe even a little bit more than that, depending on how high up you go. The nice thing is it tends to be a little more stable. Your hours tend to be a little more regular. You get a lot of holidays. A lot of governments still offer pensions, which is something that you're probably not going to see in private. So just a different kind of accounting. But for those of you that are maybe looking for the stability and security of a government job, it might be a really good pick. If you decide you want to go into governmental accounting, then once you transfer to a 4-year, you may want to take a governmental accounting class. It's its own class. Some of the Los Rios schools offer it. We don't here at Folsom Lake College, but probably take it as an upper division class. You still probably want to get your CPA license. You can definitely make a little more money if you do that. But anyway, governmental accounting, definitely something for those of you who are looking for a little more stability, maybe a little more security. And definitely here in the Sacramento Valley, we have, Sac County, El Dorado County, Placer County, and Yolo County, all right nearby, as well as the state of California, which of course has most of its offices here in Sacramento. So lots of opportunities, and that is governmental accounting.